Welcome back to My Great Way channel. Are you struggling to get more visitors to your YouTube channel? What if I told you that AI tools can help you create smarter content, optimize your videos, and attract thousands of new viewers? Stick around, because today I'll show you how to use AI tools to boost your channel traffic like a pro. AI isn't just a buzzword, it's a game changer for creators. From analyzing trends to writing scripts, AI helps you save time and focus on creativity. Think of it as your personal assistant that works 24/7 to grow your channel. Access multiple AI-powered models from AI.mygreatway.com platform to generate fresh video ideas based on trending topics. You can ask AI, "Give me 10 video ideas about gaming that are trending this week." Boom, you've got a list ready to go. This keeps your content relevant and ensures you're riding the wave of what people are already searching for. AI can help you draft engaging scripts quickly. Instead of staring at a blank page, you can feed AI your topic and get a structured outline. Then, refine it with your personality and storytelling style. Remember, AI gives you the skeleton, but you add the soul. Eye-catching thumbnails are critical. Tools like Flux at AI.mygreatway.com with AI design suggestions for creative art can help you stand out. AI can even suggest color schemes and layouts proven to increase click-through rates. Think of thumbnails as your billboard. AI helps you design ones that viewers can't resist. Access powerful AI tools at AI.mygreatway.com platform to analyze keywords, tags, and titles, ensuring your videos achieve higher rankings. Instead of guessing, you'll know exactly what your audience is searching for. This means more visibility, more clicks, and ultimately more subscribers. AI chatbots can help you reply to comments faster, keeping your community active. You can also use AI to generate polls, quizzes, or even personalized responses that make viewers feel valued. Engagement drives loyalty, and loyal viewers are the ones who share your content. With AI models from AI.mygreatway.com, you can brainstorm fresh ideas, write compelling scripts, create thumbnails, optimize SEO, and strengthen audience engagement. Looking to grow your channel audience? Explore powerful AI tools at AI.mygreatway.com. With a free subscription, you'll gain access to top AI models, all in one place at no cost. Be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss YouTube growth tip.